about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be.
Words are not enough to express my feelings for you. But I hope napasaya kita sa special day mo, Nay. Kahit hindi tayo magkasama, gusto ko iparamdam sa'yo kung gaano ka kahalaga sa akin. Lagi mong inuuna yung needs ng iba, kaya naisipan kong gawin ito. Please, ingatan mo lagi sarili mo kasi yun ang puhunan mo sa work mo. Kasi wala ako sa tabi mo para alagaan ka. Loving you is a privilege, but being loved by you is a blessing. I love you so much, Nanay Lang. I miss you so much. Happy 26th birthday.
And this surprise is from Tatay Langga, Cheryl. Thank you.
Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy.